If you want to give your gut health a serious boost, then this hearty vegetarian recipe that's packed with microbiome building polyphenols and fibre will definitely tick all the right boxes.
My friends, this dish may seem really simple, but when we put together all those incredible spices and flavours and textures, absolute magic happens. And then when we consider the nutritional hit and the impact on gut health, we've got something that's really quite special.
First, slice the aubergine in half, then cut around the inner edges. Scoop out the flesh and set it aside as this will be used later. Place the hollowed out aubergine face down into a roasting tin, drizzle with olive oil, and then roast at around 200 for about 20 minutes. This is what you're looking for, almost fully cooked, soft and flexible, and starting to brown a little. Next, we're going to roughly chop a couple of cloves of garlic, halve then slice the red onion, and roughly dice the courgette and the red pepper. Don't worry about making it all look all pretty, it's a rough and rugged rustic dish after all. Saute these along with a good pinch of sea salt and some of the aubergine flesh until it all starts to soften. Then add the black beans, add the passata, cinnamon, ground cumin, and smoked paprika, and simmer it all until a really nice, thick, richly flavoured sauce forms.
Black beans are true power ingredients. They're packed with a group of compounds called polyphenols. If you have a look at them, you'll notice that they're actually a really dark purple rather than black. That dark purple colour is given by a group of phytochemicals called polyphenols. These are really beneficial to our microbiome. This is because they actually have a bactericidal activity. That may sound kind of counterintuitive when we're talking about gut bacteria, but they seem to preferentially target what we call dysbiotic organisms, certain types of bacteria that actually have the potential to be problematic to our microbiome. And by doing that, they actually create a more favourable environment for the beneficial organisms in our gut to actually flourish.
Add this mixture to the hollowed out aubergine, pressing down well to ensure that it's nice and compact, and then return it to the oven for another 20 minutes or so. This is the final texture that you're looking for. Place it on the serving plate, then drizzle over a generous helping of tahini, sprinkle over some pomegranate seeds, and then garnish with some torn coriander.
What I really love about this dish is that it takes simple, humble ingredients and turns them into a real flavour bomb. But more importantly, it shines a light on the fact that everyday ingredients that you can find in your supermarket are just as powerful, just as potent as some of these weird and wonderful exotic superfoods that you see advertised. Everyday good whole food ingredients can have a significant impact on many aspects of your health.